Good day and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to quickly run over an update of how my personal finances is doing with crypto and stock market. So let's just jump into it. Let's start out with crypto, as it's the most interesting and seems like most people like it. Quick summary, I use the crypto.com app. I use their earn function, and that's where I buy and hold my cryptocurrency. So far up until today, which is the 18th, if hopefully you'll be watching it on this day, 18th of April 2021, I have invested £1,365 into cryptocurrency. That is split across three main coins. First one's Bitcoin, which I hold £1,150 worth in, but that is currently worth about £1,985. I put most of my Bitcoin into the crypto.com earn function so that I get 4.5% interest back in Bitcoin, where they pay out weekly. The next one is Ethereum, which I put 150 quid into, just a little kind of split the market a bit. But that's currently worth £236 roughly. I don't do the earn feature with Ethereum because I don't have enough yet. And the last one, to the moon, is Dogecoin. A little while back when it was kind of getting some steam, I decided to buy 300 Dogecoin, which cost me about 15 quid. And anybody that has been looking at cryptocurrency recently will know that Doge has gone to the moon. But yeah, so my Dogecoin is currently sat at about 70 quid, with quite a high profit on that, kind of how much I put in to how much it's worth. But currently, as I'm filming this, there has been a massive dip in the crypto market. Specifically the large coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I was sat a lot higher. Something else I've done with crypto.com is I've started putting my cash savings into the pound equivalent coin. So this is basically where I am putting my cash savings into the equivalent coin of the pound. So there's no fluctuation, there's no kind of to the moon. The true GBP crypto coin tracks the cost of the pound. So if I put £500 into it, it will always be worth £500. But I'm doing this because on the earn function, I can get 6% returns on a flexible term. So it's not locked away. I can get it back within a few days, and I'm earning 6% on that. So that works out to roughly, on 500 quid, about 50p a week, which you cannot snuff at all. I could be getting more if I decide to lock it away, but as it's my cash savings, I want to keep it accessible, and I'm happy with 6% a week. So I've currently had that in for about 2 weeks, and I'm up a quid. You can't complain at that. But yeah, so that's currently my crypto holdings. They will be going up, obviously, as crypto goes up, as I put more money in. I will probably be putting a bit more into Ethereum over the next month or so because my Bitcoin's locked away. So we'll see how it goes, but I like Bitcoin. I like where it's going. I like the ethos behind it. And who knows, I might even grab some more Doge if it drops again, just for the lols. Because Doge to the moon! And remember, as always, links to everything are down in the description. There is a link for crypto.com, which is a referral link where if you decide to stake the own crypto coin, then we both get money, but you don't have to. It's just, I like the platform. It's doing well. They seem to be holding the market quite well. Have a try. If you need more information, message me. On to stocks. So far into the stock market, I've put in £1,450, and that is currently sat at about £1,625. So there's about 175 quid profit there. Stock market for me is very long term. I am buying and holding dividend stocks, so I'm getting paid out when they pay their dividends to their stockholders. So it's a couple of p at a time. I think last month I managed to make like £1.50 through dividends, which I'm just reinvesting. I'm not taking out, I'm not pulling any money out of any of this. This is all long term. But that's split across the Freetrade app and the Stake app. Both links are down in the description. If you sign up to either of them, which is absolutely free, you do get a free stock. I think with Stake you have to deposit 100 quid within 24 hours of signing up to get a free stock. But Freetrade, sign up, get a free stock, I get a free stock. Free money, do it. But as I say, stock market is very, very long term for me. So to summarise, let's pull the numbers together. Through my personal finance investing journey, I have invested roughly £2,815 so far, which is currently sat at roughly 3,916. If crypto hadn't plummeted, it would probably be sat around 4k. But so far, I've been investing since October, so not even a year, and I'm up 1,100-ish. Just by putting my money into different places, and it's going up. Why not? Why not? But yeah, so that's currently the update. I am, come next month, I'll be 3k in, and I assume I'll probably be, by the end of next month, I might even be 1,500 up. We never know. This is the joys of it. But if you're interested in anything like this, please leave a comment. If you know me personally, message me. I'll happily chat to you and let you know more. But until then, have a great weekend. Have a great week. And I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, like and subscribe.